Some homes impress you. This one moves you. It's not about grandeur or perfection. It's about rhythm, how light, texture, and silence flow together, turning ordinary space into something that feels alive. Here, the balcony isn't just an outdoor corner. It's the pulse of the home, where mornings find focus and evenings unwind in silence above the city. Step inside, and light takes over. The living room opens in full height, airy, expressive, alive. Walls dressed in soft teal set a calm backdrop for a story made of contrast. Modern lines meeting the warmth of wood and books. This isn't a showpiece. It's a space that invites you to live beautifully without effort. At the center, a spiral staircase rises like a quiet statement. Elegant, fluid, purposeful. It connects two worlds, the grounded comfort below and the creative calm above. Every step feels like a gentle pause, a moment to look, to think, to simply breathe. From here, the home reveals its rhythm. The dining area on the mezzanine overlooks the living space, framed by glass and sky. It's not grand, but it feels generous, a place where natural light becomes part of the meal, and every gathering turns into a memory. Then the scene shifts to a kitchen that speaks in quiet tones of precision. Dark wood cabinetry, clean geometry, and surfaces that celebrate simplicity. This is design that doesn't need attention. It earns it. Transitions matter. The way light bends around corners, the way textures shift from smooth to soft. Here, even the hallway feels intentional, crafted to slow your pace and steady your thoughts. Upstairs, serenity takes shape. The master bedroom opens wide to daylight, balanced in tones of gray, blue, and warmth. It's a room that holds quiet, not emptiness, but clarity. A space that resets your mind the moment you walk in. Because great design isn't about more, it's about enough. Enough light, enough space, enough soul.